Passing you guys to my cameraman. Here you go. Whoa! Good catch, cameraman. We need a new riding lawnmower. Come hither, guys. Look at this gosh damn thing. I've welded. Yes, this is a piece of wood for the freaking steering wheel. We got a little thing. This is super dangerous. Cuts the grass by your own. Yes, I made this. So come hither, guys. Come hither. We got flat tires and shit. Wheels are pointing opposite ways like your teeth. Come on, let's go, guys. Come on. Come on, get over here. We need a new riding lawnmower. And I just picked something up. Well, actually, I didn't. My brother picked it up. A brand new lawnmower. But cameraman, why is this not a good lawnmower to use? Because, yes, we need a riding lawnmower. Stop talking. Wheeler. With a rope and a lawnmower, a push lawnmower. Oh shit, sorry. Come on guys, come on. So the idea, tie this baby to there, and we start mowing lawns, back and right, left and right, So let's do this. Well, I think the blades will spin as I'm running, don't you think?
I don't, maybe?
Cool. So I'm thinking, if you want to run down there, get some quick action shots of me doing this, you know what I mean? I think that's what we need to do. Cameraman, run that way, like about, what is that, 300 yards? I think I broke the fucking lawnmower. Cameraman, get on quick. We gotta go pick this thing up quick. Biggest thing I've ever done. That was brand new. Let's see the damage. Oh, Lord have mercy. Stay on, cameraman. Stay on. Holy shimolies, guys. This thing's freaking wrecked. It still has some life left in it. We gotta keep mowing. The grass is getting too long, but we're almost done. Right, cameraman? Guys, that was freaking insane. I don't think it cut any of the grass, but I think it almost cut the grass. I think we should keep going. I think it's broke. Oh my Lanta. Oh my God. That was ungodly. Does it still turn over? It does not turn over. So guys, that's probably gonna be it for today. As you can see, I didn't get any of the grass done, per se. But I am looking for a new mower. So if you guys have new mowers, send them my way. My budget is free and free. So yeah, I'm gonna go look for the parts now. So I'll see you guys later.